Hey guys, I'm here with the VILLEY Wagon in blue and love this wagon. It's kind of like a mid-size wagon. So you have bigger wagons over there, like they're longer or taller. This one is right in the middle, which fits my family perfectly. So just pulling down a couple chairs down here and some other stuff. I love how deep it is. So if you see that these are like normal size beach chairs and one lounge chair, and it's taken up about 2/3 of those in terms of height, which makes it really deep and nice and can hold everything without things spilling over the sides. So it has these two mesh pockets here, which is awesome. Love that. Be able to put drinks, phones, whatever you want in there. Has really nice wide wheels, so they're also lockable, so that your car doesn't get away from you if you need to lock them. Has a cool steering mechanism too, so when you pull this down, if you notice, like the handle's not gonna stay down. If I let it go, it's gonna go right back up. So that's a really cool feature. So anyways, I'll pull it in the sand here and you can kind of see. Let me show you the inside really quick. It's a cool color too, obviously. Down here at the beach, reminds you of the water, right? But if I pull it here, this is super soft sand, no problem at all. And then as you get to harder sand, it's gonna start rolling and everything. So, just doing that one hand, walking backwards with the phone in my hand, so no problem at all. So anyways, if you're on the fence with this one, I would highly recommend it. Definitely pick it up. It's been great for my family and I down here at the beach.